Right guys, here we've got a Volvo V70 2007 coming to me non-running, won't start. Done a bit of research into it, and basically the windscreen's leaking into the CEM, so the CEM's damaged. So what I've done is I've bought a second-hand one, and I've cloned the information from this one to the second-hand one, and the car's all up and running. Advise the customer to get the windscreen repaired. It's quite a common problem on Volvo that the windscreens come unbonded. So yeah, good luck. If you're getting a damp smell in your car, get the windscreen sorted and stop your electrical problems. Right, cheers and bye.